back to my channel. Today I have my latest Disney haul for you. So about a week ago I returned from Walt Disney World. I had an amazing time. I went down with my mom and my two girls and we just had a little girls trip. It was really fun and I did a little bit of shopping. It's also downpouring at this moment, so if you hear the rain, I'm very sorry. It's just a very, very rainy day. So when I got back from Disney, I did have some extra gift cards. So what I did was I took my girls over to our Disney store, our local Disney store, which is a Disney outlet. It's about a 40-minute drive from here, so I don't go all the time, but once in a while I will pop in there and see what they have, because they usually have a display or a clothing rack full of like Disney parks merchandise, whether it's from Disney World or Disneyland or another Disney park. So I figured I would go check out what they have. I have found pins there before, but I didn't see any of that this time, unfortunately, so I did just let my girls pick out a few things, and I got some stuff for myself as well. So at first I will do the Disney Parks haul, and then I will do the Disney Store haul. I think I'm going to start off with plushies. I let each of my girls pick out some plushies that they wanted. The first one that we have here is a Yeti Baby. My girls have both rode on Expedition Everest many times before, but sometimes they just don't want to, and Scarlett actually was really brave this trip and she said, I want to go on it again. So she went on it twice, once at night and once during the day, and she was really proud of herself. So that's why she got this baby Yeti, and she named it Brave because she was proud of herself and she felt brave that she went on it when it's really not her favorite ride. And then my daughter Kaya picked out these two Ufufis. So we have Cogsworth and Lumiere, and these were purchased right in the little Beauty and the Beast shop, which is across from Gaston's Tavern, and it's like right around the corner where Gaston actually meets. I can't remember the actual name of the store, but if you are a Beauty and the Beast fan, it's adorable. It's like a little cottage store, and they sell Beauty and the Beast art, home goods, toys, clothing. It's really cute. So they've been into these Ufufis lately, and they are scented like rose, and it's not like an overpowering smell, but they definitely do smell like roses. So Kaya picked out this Cogsworth Ufufi, and they are so squishy, and I can't tell if it's cat hair that's flying off or it's like the actual stuffing from inside. It's probably cat hair. They also had Belle and the Beast and Chip and Mrs. Potts, of course, but Kaya picked Cogsworth and Lumiere. Probably my favorite thing to buy when I go to Disney is to buy a Disney mug, so I did buy myself a Disney mug, and I got this one in Epcot. It's at that store where it like you're going into the World Showcase and it splits, and like during Food and Wine Festival they usually sell wine and cheese and like wine openers and stuff like that. I just love this mug so much. It has a lot of the future world icons. Each icon will stand for something, like the seas or the land. I also got this pack of Mickey bag clips, and I got it in the same store that I got that Epcot mug, and I just feel like we can never have enough of these. I thought they were really cute because they have Mickeys on them. The colors reminded me of summer. So this is just a 4-pack of chip bag clips. So speaking of Epcot, we always step into the Japan Pavilion store. They have everything you could possibly think of, especially a lot of snacks. My daughter Kaya loves a certain brand of seaweed snacks that we can only find there, so she usually stocks up. I actually don't have them on hand anymore because she has eaten all of the bags that we got. She loves them. We also picked up a few more snacks in that store. I'm sure you've seen Pocky before. These are sold in my regular grocery store in the Asian food aisle, but Scarlett wanted to be a little adventurous this time and try the green tea or matcha ones. She loves the green tea frappuccinos from Starbucks, so I told her to give these a try, and she actually really liked them, and they are good. If you like matcha green tea, you'll like these. And then for me, I purchased these. I knew what they were, even though everything is in Japanese. These are sometimes sold and called Choco Rooms, and it's just like a little biscuit with a milk chocolate top. They're supposed to look like mushrooms. I still have a few more inside, so I will probably snack on these later. And speaking of food, we all love Disney popcorn. If you've ever had Disney popcorn, you know it's just like Pop Secret popcorn, but it just tastes like a lot better because it's in Disney. So my mom bought this. I think it was $10, and once you purchase this, you can just get refills at any of the parks for about $1.75, I think it is. Then you just get to take home this souvenir bucket. I like how it has all 4 parks on it. These do change from time to time, especially the lid colors, because it's only supposed to last the length of your stay. So they have Tower of Terror, the Tree of Life, Cinderella's Castle, and my favorite, Spaceship Earth for Epcot. And then the last few items that I have from the Disney parks or the Disney Resort are pins. So on our first night, we flew in pretty late and we stayed at Caribbean Beach Resort, and we only stayed there for the one night. I am a travel agent and I know that Caribbean Beach Resort is under a lot of construction right now, so I thought it would be a good time for me to kind of just go and check on the status of the construction and see it for myself. So what they did was they left this little book of pins in our room, just, you know, saying excuse our construction going on, because it's kind of just like an eyesore, if anything. So there's Goofy floating in the Caribbean beach pool on his float. And there's also Mickey there with his little shades and drinking a cold beverage. And then Donald's here just getting ready to jump in the pool. I also like how on Goofy and Donald's bathing suit, it actually says Caribbean Beach Resort. So it is a nice little keepsake. And here's the little message that says, like, pardon their construction. I also have a set of these from Coronado Springs and the Wilderness Lodge, because for whatever reason, we tend to stay at resorts when they're under construction. The next pin I have is actually from the Beach Club Resort. Lately, I've been trying to purchase pins whenever I stay at a Disney resort, if I can remember to. I've stayed at over a dozen Disney resorts, so I really need to go find all the pins from the resorts that I've stayed at, because I'm not sure when I'll be back at certain resorts again. Please pardon my nails. I am way overdue for a manicure at this point. But this is just Mickey hanging out there at the beach club. They did have another beach club pin. This one was just my favorite that I liked. Another pin that I purchased was an Epcot pin, of course. It's my favorite park. I would buy all things Epcot if I could. Everything Epcot I want to purchase. Anything with Spaceship Earth, anything with Figment, I need to buy. But I thought this one was really neat. It says Epcot, it has Spaceship Earth. It has a little Mickey astronaut from Mission Space. It has Test Track, and then it's got Figment, who looks like he is flying on Soarin', and it does have a little element here where he kind of swings like he's soaring over Epcot. The last of our pins that we purchased on this trip was a mystery box of the Kingdom of Cute. These actually were my daughter Kaya's. She has a few of these. I know these have been around for about a year now, but she just really enjoys them and she's trying to complete her collection. So I'll show you which ones she got. She only needs a few more to complete her collection. We did get this one, which I believe is the People Mover. We actually already have this one, so it is a little disappointing when you receive a double, but there's no way of telling if you're going to get a double or not. But this one is the People Mover, and she wants to trade this one, so I will definitely be trading this one for her with one that she needs to complete her collection. And the other one she got, because those boxes do come with two, is a teacups, and the teacups are one of my girl's favorite rides. The teacups in Disney World are the only ride that I will not ride. I do not like the teacups, but I do think that it is cute, and she was happy that she got this teacup one because we don't have this. I have a huge bag full of Disney Store items. Actually, not that much in here. It's just like bulky items, but I figured I'd show you what we got. So back to the Ufufi craze. Kaya picked out this really super soft, dopey Ufufi. It's one of the larger size Ufufis. These don't have a scent. I think it must just be the smaller size ones that have a scent. And there's cat hair everywhere already. But he is so soft and squishy. I believe this dopey Ufufi was around $17. They did have a lot of the smaller ones, which were on sale for $3 each, so if you can get to the Disney store sometime soon, they might be having Ufufis on sale. I have been eyeing this next item on the Disney store website. It is a lemon slice cooler. It is an odd shape and shaped like a lemon slice, but when you open it up, it looks like it can fit quite a bit, whether it be water or drinks. So here's the details. It is pretty big, and it has little Mickey heads next to the lemon seeds. I thought it was perfect for summer. Another reason why I went into the Disney store was because I have some clients traveling down to Disney World this month, and I always send my clients goodies in the mail right before they travel. So this particular family has 2 little girls, so I wanted to go in and get the little girls some stuff to send them just to get them excited for their trip. It's probably hard to see because it's shiny and clear, but it's like a beach or pool bag or a bag for whatever they want to use it for. I figured it was bright and fun and colorful, and it has like the Disney emojis on it, and what little girl doesn't like that? And then it's got some sweet little charms on it. So they don't have to take this with them to Disney, but I figured because they're one of my summer clients that they could definitely make use of this at home, whether it's to the pool or to the beach. So this next item, I'm actually going to try to find a picture and pop that in for you because it is so large and there's no way that I can show you the whole thing on camera. But it's one of those round towels instead of a rectangle, and I believe it's like a watermelon, and it has Mickey on it, and it's adorable. When we walked into the Disney store, they had all of their towels on sale. This was like $6.75 or something like that, so I actually got 3 of them, but I only got 1 for us. My pass holder magnet does not like to stay up. And moving on to clothing, I love going to the Disney store outlets and looking through the racks because they're usually pretty heavily discounted with an extra percentage off. So I found this Disneyland World of Color sweatshirt. It's just a regular crew neck sweatshirt, and it doesn't have anything on the back. It's all the details on the front. I'll show you in a minute, but it was $6.99. So this is something that probably Kaya and I will share. It's just a crew neck sweatshirt, perfect for the summer if we're out by a campfire or something. So it's from California Adventure, and it says World of Color. Like I said, it was $6.99. How can you pass up a Disney Parks sweatshirt for $6.99? This probably retailed for like at least $30, $35. I don't always see Disney World merchandise at this outlet, but I do see a lot of Disneyland, and I'm okay with that. So I found this tank top for myself. It's one of those like summery, like old school tank tops with some neon letters that say Disneyland Resort. And guys, this was only $1.99. When I walked into the Disney outlet, I was pretty surprised to see Spirit jerseys, especially the 4th of July ones that they're currently selling in the parks. And they're super cute, but they're not discounted. I did see this one lonely one in this style, and it wasn't my size, so I was like, is this a sign? I think I need to get this. So this is the Stitch Spirit jersey, and I have seen this on the website before, and I have seen it on sale and with a discount. I just never bit the bullet and bought it. So it has 2 blue stripes on one sleeve only, and it's got Stitch up here, and let me show you the back. The back says Living in Paradise. It just screamed summer for me, so I had to get it. The last item from our Disney store haul is Pepita. He or she is from Coco. Scarlett picked this out. I'm being honest here, I have not seen Coco. We have it on DVD. It's one of Scarlett's favorite movies. She likes it. I've just never actually sat down to watch it. Before it came out, we did see the preview of it in Hollywood Studios, and it did look awesome and amazing. I just really have to sit down and watch it. I've heard it's great. And here's Pepita. I love the colors, and the wings do move in any direction that you want to put them. And I think that's it. That was a pretty random Disney haul. So let me know in the comments below what you thought of the items that I purchased. Give this video a thumbs up. That'll let me know that you would like to see more hauls. And of course, if you are looking to book a Disney destination vacation, let me know. I am a travel agent. It does not cost you anything extra to use my services. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye!